Welcome today. I want to speak to you to an energy plate that is really in the Wellness Pro series, and it's also good for the Family Pro series at home. That means you could do therapeutic, energetic healing sessions at home or in a private alternative clinic. So this we're talking today, which comes in 3 models. We're talking of the Stargate 1 and 2, UL-3777 or UL-377-A or UL-377-B. Today we're going to talk at a bigger model, the -B. So what's inside makes it so special. It works with 4 meteorite stones that come from a Russia meteorite crash site, and all the stones together, there's 4 of them in each Stargate, and 4 of them of about this size that weigh around close to 150, 160 grams. Here, these combinations of 4 is 143 grams of Sintamani stones, which are meteorites. And when you buy a Stargate, it comes with 1. So at least you have 1 stone that you can know what's inside. And this is a Stargate. So we're going to take it out, the model 377B. So you have over here, it's compatible with both boosters, the serial numbers and everything. And it could come with a professional 10-year warranty limited, which comes with a license. You have to pay a license of $25 annually. You could be in a repertoire. And all of this gives you a 10-year warranty as a professional series. I'll take off the little weight scale. So what's inside this one? It comes with 3 external cables and an interface cable, which you could have 4 external connections to 6 interior amps. And it comes with many modes, with the therapeutic, energetic, regular mode. So base comes with this one, and this changes color. This is really a smooth for relaxing and an outer space experience. So that's the base. We'll put this back over there, and then we're going to go with the options it comes. So you could have 2 full options, and options number 1, as a full pack, it comes with 3 energetic therapeutic amplifiers, 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to hook them up so we know what that does. And then you could have a choice of within 4 frequency generators. A small model, a bit more performing model. Then we have, I'm going to show you the next 2 models. We're going to hook up with the 9051 model, and it comes as well. You could have an option that comes with 2 outputs and a sweep and everything, a bigger interface model as a frequency generator, or the full laboratory experimental full jacket frequency generator. We'll turn it on. Oops.
Hello.
There it is, coming in. And this one's got many parameters. So you have all kinds of graphic, and it's got 2 outputs. It's got many, many options. Okay, so we have the Stargate, which is something for an outer space because of the Sintamani meteorite. It gives you access to the Akashic records and memories of space, of different civilization and different memories of the universe around the space. and it's got the 4 channels. So we're gonna hook up these. We'll put them on over here. 1, 2, and you get 1, 2. So in the full equip, you could have 3 connections of these. You could even have 4, or you could talk to a representative. They'll suggest you, depending what you want to do, if it's for home professional therapy or clinics or different things. Okay, here we go. So we got these, and there's one more to hook up. So we'll hook up the frequency generator on the last channel. So 4 external cables, 6 internal amplifiers, and now we're gonna hook up the frequency generator. So we hook up the power transfer. It's set up at 432. We're gonna run it, and we're gonna put the special output interface cable, and we're gonna connect it. There you go, right there. So it's fully connected. So you got the frequency generator and 3 zappers that give the output. Now you have an option as well too, that you could have connected with 2 UL, I'm gonna bring them over here, so 2 of these UL-8050 boosters, quantum boosters that boost the signal, keep it clean. So we're gonna hook these up. So I'm gonna hook up one over here. I'm gonna move this a bit over here. And these come with 4 cables. So these are the input cables, so they go on the inside with the BNC to special Orgo-Life cables for the MedBed series. It's the Energy MedBed Technology Orgo-Life. So there we go, we got this hooked up. So we're going to remove 2 outputs over here, connect them to the booster, and we're going to take these 2 cables and connect them to the therapeutic. There you go. And the signal is 300% stronger. Really, really, really powerful with the frequency generator. So we got 1 hookup. Let's hook up a second one. Give me this. Thank you. Let's hook up the second one. And you could have this as well too with the bigger quantum 1000%, the model 8055, which is a really a pro series. They're all pro series, but this is the strongest. So you could have it with 2 1000% boosters or 300% quantum boosters. We're gonna hook it up for the video to the 300%, and you could imagine the same thing hooked up to the 1000%. There you go. And we're going to hook up the special BNC interface cables that gives you the options of going through the booster and boost your signal. And you see the lights which give you the signal how the energetic plate is working with the PEMF. It brings the intensity really, really strong, so you know you're connected to the booster. So we got the outs over here. So we're gonna connect this to this out. Fine. And we're gonna connect this to this one. So we're gonna connect this. Great. Perfect. Now we're gonna connect these 2. 1 to the frequency generator. Yeah, there you go. And 1 to the booster here. There you go. So we're all connected with 2 quantum UL-8050 boosters, 300%, 3 therapeutic amplifiers, and 1 frequency generator, which we could change models or we could hook up bigger. So this is the Stargate, and it gives out a PEMF Really great for energetic sessions. You could do a session of 30 minutes, 60 minutes. It could be put under a bed. You could put your feet on it or everything. You could put your food. The energy is really to the point of the Stargate Series energy. And we're going to go, I want to check the branding on the box. You see, Stargate meaning door to the stars, to the universe. Stargate Series. Thank you so much for listening to our video.